So industry that is not able to survive against competition fades away. And that's a survival of the fittest, as most of the people in industry will know. So what gives competitive advantage? Two things. One is a capital barrier. If you are a Reliance and you can afford to invest 50,000 crores in a plant, now there are very few people in the planet who can afford to invest that. So you have a capital barrier. But the other barrier is a knowledge barrier. You know how to do something which nobody else does. Okay? In the past, this same knowledge barrier used to be the know-how barrier. You got some know-how and nobody knew how to get that know-how. So what would happen in India? There was a know-how static and people would move from one company to the other and everybody soon is doing the same thing. But when you're doing a knowledge barrier, you're at the cutting edge. And what is the competitive resource that an industry has to use? They have to be at the cutting edge of knowledge. Now, that is an intellectual. Ideas don't just say, okay, now it's 9 to 5 people, I want you to produce 5 ideas. Ideas never come like that, right? Ideas come when you sit and you have no pressure. But in industry, you always have pressure. Because you have to survive. The next day you don't sell enough, you will go down. But academia is very protected. Okay? The function and the role of academia is to generate ideas. But if those ideas are not cutting edge, then we have a problem. Right? So we have the environment, but we don't have the cutting edge. Because we have to stay connected with the rest of the world. Okay? Now, that really is a matter of concern for all of us. All of us, meaning whichever side of the table you are in, industry, academia, government, whatever you're sitting on, is a matter of great concern. Because we have this basic infrastructure, so-called universities, and we have industry who needs the cutting-edge knowledge to connect. And we are really, each one needs the other, because, if anybody of you have actually done a transition from generating an idea to generating a product, as maybe Dr. Nandkumar has done, you know how difficult it is. Okay, it's one thing to generate an idea, it's quite another thing to make a product. Okay, making a product, continuing to make the product and continuing to stay competitive is enough to take away your attention from all ideas. Okay, in that context, this is where this connect is going to become increasingly important to India. And in that context, again, I would like to then basically set this panel discussion that we have maybe for the next 40 minutes or so, and then I'd like to open it up and contribute. So, I'd like to briefly introduce our panelists, and if you can just, in the interest of time, just tell people who you are. So we have sitting there, Dr. Deshmukh, if you could just introduce yourself. And if you can just speak up, because I have the mic, but you have to shout.